Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can merge multiple JPG images into a single PDF. So let's go quick into the process. So you just need to simply locate the location as to where you have saved your JPG files. So I saved it here in my file explorer, and I have these two JPG files .jpg on this one .jpg. So in order to make this into a single PDF, we need to select these two items. So press the control key on your keyboard and then choose the two items. Now once done, right click and then you need to look for show more options. Then you have to select the print option. Okay, so you also have here this one, the layout, like that. You can change the layout from here. Okay, so it's up to you. Then you will find this printer. Click on this drop down arrow and then you will find the option Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, now once done, click on print. And in file name, I'm just going to name it as images. Save as type, that should be PDF, and click on save. And that's it. You can also change for the destination path. Now let me just quickly do it again. Right click and then select show more options. Click on print. Then choose the size, Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click on print. Now we need to save it in the desktop. And then I'm just going to name it as images. And click on save. Now we need to close this. And you have here the PDF already here in the desktop. Now if I'm going to double click on it, the two JPG images earlier has turned into a single PDF. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.